In this section, we'll learn how to install vcpkg on Windows machine and verify that it's working correctly. The installation process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. But before installing vcpkg, make sure you have the following tools installed: Git, which is used to clone the vcpkg repository, Visual Studio or Visual Studio build tools. So vcpkg uses the Microsoft C++ compiler MSVC when building libraries on Windows, so having the C++ build tools or Visual Studio is essential. Then we have CMake. It is optional but recommended for CMake projects. So the first thing that we are going to do is to clone the vcpkg repository. So this is here the vcpkg repository, and I'll post the link at the end of the lecture so you can get it. So here you just need to copy the URL of the repository, and then you can choose a location where you'd like to install vcpkg. So here I am going to install my vcpkg, and I'll just call git clone and then the link of the repository. Now that the installation is done, you can have a look here inside, and so this is the vcpkg, and the next thing that we are going to do is to navigate into that repository. So I am going to go inside, and then there is here a bootstrap batch file that we need to run. So I am going to run the bootstrap vcpkg batch file, and it is also done. Now there should be a new vcpkg executable in this folder, and to verify the installation you can run that. So I'm going to run that, and I'll just say version to print the version of the vcpkg, and here you can see the version of the installed vcpkg, or you can also display the help if you want, and in that way you have verified that vcpkg is now installed on your computer. The last step of our installation will be to integrate vcpkg with Visual Studio. So you just run the exe using integrate and then install. And after running the command, Visual Studio will automatically detect library installed through vcpkg for traditional MS build projects.